Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when earbuds automatically starts or pause the music. You have to start by open the application and go to the settings at the right top. Now click on update firmware and make sure that you have the last version. I have the last one. If you haven't, just install a new one. Also, maybe it's a problem of audio player. So first try to remove it from the cache and open it again. And if it didn't help, you also check if you have the last version of the audio player. It's the same for Spotify or YouTube Music or another. And the last one, what we can do is to perform a hard reset. So just remove your earbuds from the charging case, and after that press and hold both of the touch areas right here for at least 10 seconds. Here we go. Now we should remove it, so click the information icon or settings icon, forget this device, forget device. Also, if you have Android, click pair new device, and now it should enter to prank mode automatically, so just click on it at the device list. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!